What's up YouTube? Welcome to the channel. My name is Fareed, and in today's video we're going to review how to verify your Cornucopias NFTs. The Cornucopias team has announced that holders of the Bubblejett and GTI Javelin NFTs can now get them verified using their Discord. Verifying your NFTs will give you additional roles within the current Discord server. If you're not currently a member of the Cornucopias Discord, you can access cornucopias.io, and from the front page of their website, you can actually click on this Discord icon here at the top right hand corner of the screen, and that's going to invite you to join their Discord. Once you have access to the Cornucopias Discord, we're going to head to the Verify Your NFT channel, which we can see here. Next, we're going to run the verify add command. So in order to do that, I'm going to type /verify. And I can see all the additional commands that I can run. We're going to select the add command. And from here, we can either provide a wallet address or an ADA handle. I'm going to use my wallet address for now, so I'm going to paste that in here and then run the command. And I'm going to be prompted to send a specific amount of ADA to myself. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay. Now that I've sent myself the ADA, we're going to wait for the Discord bot to verify that transaction. It looks like the Discord bot has officially confirmed our transaction. As we can see here, the stake address associated with our wallet has now been verified. The Discord roles you're going to receive are going to be based on the type of NFT that you hold in your wallet. So if you're holding the Bubblejett NFT, you're going to receive a Bubblejett holder role. And if you're holding a GTI Javelin NFT, you're going to receive a GTI Javelin holder role within the Cornucopias Discord. That's going to wrap it up for today's video. I'm really excited to see how the team plans on using these roles and what other utility they plan on giving these NFTs. If you found this video to be helpful, please make sure to tap that like button. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to stay up to date. And if you have any questions or comments, please make sure to leave those down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.